This is the Silux Control Seeker installation instructions. We will explain all the procedures that you will need to complete to install the Seeker. Firstly, the Seeker is a heat radiation detection device. This should be installed in locations where you wish to detect a person and then for Silux Control to perform a task, schedule or scene based on the detection. Examples include a person walking to the kitchen and the kitchen lights automatically coming on, the bathroom lighting at night auto dimming, and many other ways in which the Seeker can be used. The list is endless. Other areas the Seeker can be used in is garages, passageways, offices, warehouse areas, factory departments, and so much more. This can create simple tasks which can be done automatically for you. It is important to note that we recommend you only temporarily install the Seeker in various locations to test and ensure the positions you wish to mount the Seeker will meet your demand and that people will be easily detected in that location of the Seeker. It can be mounted on the ceiling, which is recommended, or the walls. Ensure there is no obstruction between the people you wish to detect and the objects such as bookcases or other items. This could create situations of delayed activation or no activation at all. So let's begin with the process. The device is supplied with 2x AA batteries, screws, double-sided tape, an external power supply if you wish to power it from the mains or your house's electricity, and a small cable which connects the power supply to the Seeker can all be found in the packaging box. The screws and double-sided tape is recommended only to be used once you have tested your installation locations and you are comfortable and satisfied with the detection range and is operating to your satisfaction. Step 1. Twist or turn the Seeker open like opening a bottle. Step 2. Install the batteries as indicated. Once you have installed the batteries, press the Teach button to check if the power is on the device, and you will see a flashing green light next to the Teach button. If you see this, wait for it to stop flashing. This could take up to 30 seconds. If you do not see the green light flashing, make sure the AA batteries are making good contact with the battery terminals inside the Seeker, and also make sure the batteries are not flat. If you wish to use external power, refer to the video Installing External Power on the Seeker, Connecting Power. You can then leave the batteries out of the Seeker than if you're installing external power. Step 3. Temporarily locate the Seeker in a desired position you wish to use it in. There will be a red light that illuminates the lens every time it detects motion, and only if the time interval has expired. Currently set to detect motion every 1 minute and 30 seconds as default, so every time it detects motion after the time interval is completed, the red light will come on to indicate detection. This product can detect animals dependent upon the position you mount the Seeker, so take care when considering this. Using the time delay switch, you can change the delay between each motion detection to the following. Switch 1 on only is 1 minute 30 seconds. Switch 2 on only is 3 minutes. Switch 3 on only is 6 minutes. So the Seeker will only detect motion in this time interval. So if there is a constant motion, you will see the red light on the lens of the Seeker flash on and off every 1 minute and 30 seconds or whatever your time delay setting may be. It will ignore all motion until the time interval has expired. Always ensure only one switch on the time delay setting is on at a time. There is also a sensitivity switch as shown here. The default option is switch 2 on only. There is less chance for false triggers on switch number 2 on only. However, if you wish to increase sensitivity, please switch number 2 off and activate or switch number 1 on only. This option is for increased sensitivity. However, once again, please ensure you're aware that there could be false triggers from the Seeker if the device is located with higher sensitivity. Especially in warmer locations such as garages in the summer, this has an impact on potential false triggers. Please consider this and once again test before making a final installation. For lower sensitivity than the default, switch number 3 on only. This allows for lesser sensitivity and can be used in areas where potential false triggers are more likely. You have now completed the installation of the Seeker and ready to move on to the video of teaching programming of the Seeker.